Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to enable WhatsApp to start automatically when you log into your PC. This feature ensures that WhatsApp is ready for use as soon as your computer boots up, saving you time and keeping you connected. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or the official WhatsApp website. Once the app is open, log in using your mobile device by scanning the QR code if needed. Next, look to the left side of the WhatsApp window. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. From the Settings menu, navigate to General. The General section contains options related to app behavior and preferences. Here, you'll find an option labeled Start WhatsApp at Login. This setting allows WhatsApp to launch automatically whenever your computer starts. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Start WhatsApp at Login. Once activated, WhatsApp will be set to open automatically every time you log in to your PC. You won't have to manually start the app again, making it convenient for daily use. And that's it. You've successfully configured WhatsApp to start at login on your PC. This simple adjustment ensures that your messages and notifications are always accessible without any extra steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.